It's really small. I got it.
Hello, my potatoes. I am gonna go to Ikea right now with
Say hello, my potatoes?
Yeah. They're my
potatoes. Oh, you're right. You look like a potato.
Bitch. Oh yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go to Ikea with my family today. It's gonna be like a family day, and we are gonna get something for my brother. Brother, what are you getting, Tommy? Huh?
I'm getting a new bed because let's show him. Let's show him.
I'll show you guys. Show you guys this. So Tommy pissed his bed while he was sleeping.
In the middle, right here. Just kidding. No, my dog did. My dog peed on my bed, and it smells really bad, and it's done for. So after this, I'm gonna buy a mattress. I'm actually gonna buy a mattress topper and everything, so a waterproof one just in case.
Damn, guys, he's going all out today.
Yeah, my budget is like 300. So.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm rich, guys, by the way.
Guys, I had this pimple for like the longest time, and it's slowly going away. So glad that it's not like super red anymore.
Does selfie look weird?
A little bit. You're like trying not to smile.
Yeah, but it doesn't look weird. Does it look okay? I'm trying to show off my haircut.
Guys, what do you think? Does it look okay?
Hope you don't post it.
I'm gonna post that shit. I'm gonna also add my brother's Instagram handle. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Guys, he doesn't want people to follow him.
Fame.
Yeah, so I want a new mattress as well, but not from Ikea. Like, my goal is to have one of those purple mattresses. Have you guys ever heard of them? Tommy, have you heard of those? Purple mattress?
No, what is it?
It's the one. It's like a kind of like new technology kind of thing where it's like almost like memory foam, but it's. Are you flexing right now?
I was messing around. I was checking my shoes were dirty, you know. I was like, oh no, they're pretty clean. Oh, did you guys happen to see that? My bad. Oops. I was just checking my shoes are clean.
I'm so done, guys. Let me know if you guys actually have like that purple memory foam type mattress, because I think it's pretty expensive, but like I think it's like really worth it.
Look what just happened to my chapstick.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ew. It melted.
That is so gross.
Oh, what the fuck? Why?
I think you guys have seen my parents in like 1 or 2 videos before. I'm not gonna show them a lot on the vlogs because they are pretty camera shy and they don't know what the heck I'm doing, so.
Yeah, you don't have a life.
And did you just say I don't have a life?
Just kidding.
I have a life and everyone loves me. I love you guys.
Whoa.
Okay. So we made it to Ikea. We're actually gonna eat lunch here. I really enjoy the food here because it's not like really oily or anything. It's just gonna be like a light lunch, and then we'll probably like mess around and like go eat other places if we're hungry.
Lego!
That line dough, guys. They actually have like salmon balls. I've never seen that before. I'm so done, guys. My dad like ordered an extra plate because he wanted to try everything. So we have an extra plate. There's like 5 plates for us. Gosh, if I knew my dad was gonna order another dish, I wouldn't have gotten the Swedish meatball on the side as well. It's my first time trying the salmon ball, guys. What do you think? What is it? No?
Kind of dry.
It's different. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Kind of wish I got the Swedish meatball.
You did though.
I know I did, but not enough. Only 4. Not gonna lie, I always wanted to try this salmon that my dad got, but it's like $7.99. Oh, let's try it out. It's not bad.
It's also kind of dry.
Damn, Tommy, critic, man. What do you expect? It's like food court food. Whenever you go to Ikea, you don't really like. We came here specifically for mattresses.
Oh, I kind of like it.
We have to like walk through the whole store, and we're gonna end up buying something. Watch, my bro's. He's looking for the cheapest one, guys.
I don't know. I kind of like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 300.
All right, guys. Tommy has two choices. They're both the same, but like this one's medium firm, right?
Yeah, medium firm.
And then the other one's firm.
I like soft beds though.
What type of beds do you guys like? Firm, medium firm, really soft? Tommy fell in love with the memory foam one.
But yeah, I like this one.
But it's $400. He made his decision. He is getting this one.
Oh my god, I'm gonna buy a chair and a mattress.
Oh, guys, we gotta go before we buy something. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, guys. God, guys, they're testing out a chair. They're gonna end up buying it. Mom, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, no, let's go. No, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go home, let's go home. Let's go before you buy something. No, let's go, let's go.
Go to the, oh my god.
Tommy, what are you doing?
Oh my god, wait, I'm holding.
You're bad. You're gonna run into stuff.
It keeps turning right.
You're so bad.
You wanna hold my coffee then?
Oh yeah, give me your coffee.
No, it keeps turning right by itself. I can't push it over.
You're so bad.
The cart's messed up.
Okay, blame the cart.
Look, it's moving right again. It's moving. It's moving right again. Been 30, you see it?
Yeah, it's over there, dude.
30. Oh fuck. Oh, I can't turn it. It's too heavy. Stop to spin.
You call me fat?
It's really small. Got it.
Wait, something. Tommy, something. Wait, can I boomerang this?
You should.
Okay. Ready, set. Dude, careful. Damn. Guys, he did it. He bought the mattress.
My money's depleted.
Come on, Tommy, you got this. Damn.
Not that heavy.
We finished paying for everything and we put it in the car. It's kind of tight right now. But Tommy's excited for his new bed. Yeah?
Get my mattress.
Where are you gonna get that?
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cheaper?
Hopefully one that's like one that like won't leak through, like one of those like waterproof ones. But hopefully it's not like crinkly, you know, like that sound. So I don't know. I gotta find it.
All right, guys. We brought the mattress in. This is like my favorite part here. This is not where we open it and then release all the air and they vacuum the.
Just rip it. Just rip it.
Yeah, just rip it then. Ooh. There it goes. You got it.
Pull out.
Nice. There you go. Nice. It's good.
It fits.
Yeah, it just needs a few hours.
Fits? Wait, how come just no way?
It'll open up.
Oh, right. Okay.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy my family day, right, Tommy?
Yeah.
Tommy got his mattress and he's loving it now. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment, and I'll comment right back. Tommy's having a hard time with his light.
Oh my! I can't spin it. Oh shit! I figured it out.
All right, bye guys. Bye, Tommy.
Oh my god. Bye. I can't.